Hi students, so in the previous tutorial I showed you how to make the proper chess coins in the help of line, creating the proper line shape the similar way. So in this tutorial I will show you in the help of proper line with the proper glass model. So taking the reference. Okay, so I will take it reference from outside first. So already, okay, so this is the reference I taken from the outside. So you can check it out, the proper resolution from the output folder. So I taken this reference in the properties. Okay, the 667 and 668. Okay, so now we got the exact shape as per the resolution. Sorry, the exact resolution, the reference image. So first of all, I'll take the lines. Okay, and the technique is same as per the previous technique. We made these two. No, this would be smooth. The initial type and the drag type both are in a smooth mode. So you can make it in corner also, but once you do the corner, you need to modify later. So in Bezier, changing or rotating the curves, that's a modification. Okay, taken reference. So I will start curve from here. So backspace also. So backspace also working here. Possible too if you done any mistake while creating the curves. The backspace option also is working. So no need to delete the curves and no need to delete the curves. So there is a backspace option is working. Okay. Okay, in this similar technique, go to the modifier list, click on lathe, and once you do the lathe option, then click on the axis and move it to minus value. So here you got the problem with the hole. For that, click on the line and move it almost center of this thing. Then click on the lathe. Now we can check it. So it's working properly. Okay. And here there is some zigzag option. So here the shape is not proper because of the vertex is not there on that position. So for that, so what I will do, I will create uh, one more line on that space. Go left mouse button, sorry, the right mouse button, and check on the option name called refine. Click it. So okay, see, and there is a one more option. So I never said before to making this thing smooth. Once you convert into a poly, so I'm going to convert this glass into an editable poly and check it in the left mouse button and nerves toggle. There is an option. Once you click on the nerves toggle, so you got the exact shape. There is no zigzag. Okay, nerves toggle. There is a smooth mode. And one more technique, you just copy the object to other side and in the modifier list there is an option name called turbosmooth. Okay, so now you got the exact smooth shape as per the glass model. So any kind of a glass model, so after finishing the lathe option, so you can convert into a poly, then you can go to the turbo smooth. So once you the click on the turbo smooth, the mesh is more compared to this one. So this is the object is without turbo smooth. So this one is a turbo smooth. The mesh is more on this. So that is what once. And one more thing, so you can check it here. So it's not exactly straight this line. So for that, I already converted this one into poly. just scale it, these vertices, and move it. Okay, so now you got the complete with the detail of this modeling. In the help of lathe option, creating smooth kind of a glass shape or a chess coins or any other kind of objects, you can make it in the help of spline. I mean, creating the lines and converting to a lathe, then you can convert into a poly. Again, if you didn't get the proper mesh smooth, you can